Welcome to Wilkins Websites, tutorial number 1 for real estate agents. With Wilkins Websites, you can create and manage your own website with no experience. In today's business world, you need a virtual internet presence or a VIP. We have at your fingertips all the tools necessary to create and manage your own virtual internet presence. Wilkins Websites offers free website design, free video tutorials, free support, and if you choose, free email campaigns with your website. Let's go and try the free 30-day trial. We start out here in the 1-minute online business builder. Now it's going to take us a little longer than 1 minute. I have to explain everything. If you were to rush through it, it probably could take you a minute, but if you are tech savvy, and you know how to write code and you know everything there is about building your own website, then choose Start from Scratch. If you already have a website and you're unhappy with your webmaster or your web host, you can import your website into our system and we can host it for you. Today we are doing the Online Business Builder template. We're going to go through all of these options: customized style, selling online, email marketing, and so on. Let's click Next. Here we're going to pick a style. We have all of these styles to choose from. And you may think, well, that's not very many styles. But if I choose one of these, all of these pop up. Okay, choose another. Everything changes. So you can see that we have quite a few different options for you to choose from to create your own style to market to the audience or the clientele that you wish to market to. I personally like the basic white. I don't like a lot of bells and whistles. I don't like to confuse the issue with fancy colors and spinning tops and things like that. I like to just give the information and get it over with. Now we're going to pick a home page image. You can change this at a later date, but here in the Online Business Builder, you have to pick an image. Since we're building a real estate website, we can choose an image that reflects real estate. Now here we have a seller handing the keys to the buyer. Let's just take a look at that. Okay. And here is new construction. Let's take a look at that. Okay, close that out. Move to the next page. Nothing real estate here. Well, we have some new construction going on here, but that's not what we're looking for. And next page, sold. Everyone loves to see the sold sign. The buyer, the seller, the realtors all love to see the sold sign. Now, of course, we're going to populate this later. So we've chosen the sold sign. Next. Now we're moving to selling online. I really don't think it's possible to sell a house online. There are too many pitfalls. I don't recommend you offering to sell a house online. So let's just say no thanks and click Next. Email marketing. I highly recommend email marketing. As a realtor myself, I have spent quite a bit of money with email marketers, sending out my postcards, my email postcards to all the realtors around the state and one time even around the country. It works. It works very, very well, but it is very expensive. With our system, you have your own email marketing. You can send them out yourself at no additional cost to you. So yes. How about a contact us form? Yes, of course. This is how you capture leads and get the emails that you need to send out your email marketing. Next. Blogs. It says here blogs are a fantastic marketing tool, and they are. However, I'm not much of a blogger. If you think that you can make the blog work for you, then feel free. I personally am not a big blogger, so I'm going to choose no thank you. I might add one later. Next. Forums. I definitely do not like forums when it comes to real estate, and I'll tell you why. We've all had, being a realtor myself, as I said, we have all had those clients that do not listen to a word we say. Our job basically is advice and opinion to guide the seller or the buyer through the pitfalls of real estate. If they don't want to listen to us and they think that they know better, they are going to fail miserably. We've all had these clients, and then when it all blows up, guess whose fault it is? The realtors. Why would you want to give them a forum to come onto your website and talk about how bad you were when really it was all their fault? I say no. If you want to do a forum, please do. Next, customer service. How about a members only area? With your real estate website, I do not recommend this. With my real estate association website, I have a members only area that I log into. This takes me back to the back end where the general population cannot go. You don't want to exclude anyone from your website. You want people, anybody who's just browsing the internet looking for real estate, to come to your website and be able to see everything you have without having to log in. So I say no thank you. Next, more goodies. How about a site-wide search? Yes, a site-wide search is just a little bar that says you put in, I want a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in this school district, and if you happen to have one on your website, it'll come up. So yes. Will you want to publish news and press articles on your website? You can. This can be a great tool. I, however, am not going to do that. That's a lot of work that I don't want to do. Want to build a searchable catalog of FAQs or frequently asked questions? Yes. Frequently asked questions can work for you a great deal. People on your website can go to the FAQs and find out, how long have I been in real estate? How many homes have I sold this year? What is the percentage of sales price versus asking price? How long are the houses on the market? Things like that. You can really, if you tell the truth, you can really help yourself to find more clients with a proper FAQ. Yes. Next. Now here we are going to put in the details of our website. We're going to choose a website name. I'm going to call it real estate website. Okay. Now you can see down here it's populated real estate website 03. That's because this is not the first tutorial I've done for this. Put in my name, Thomas Wilkins, email address, password. Okay, select it. I am a business owner. If you are a real estate agent, you are a business owner. Here is your URL, real estate website 03, or whatever you want to choose. Tom's real estate website, Susie's real estate website, and so on. I am in the United States. I am in Central Time. And this right here is to make sure that you are not a spam bot and you are not trying to infiltrate the system. And finish. Now down here in this bar, it's going to start populating. And we'll have our website in a moment. Here we are. Let's preview our website. Okay, now of course we have to populate all of this. Here is the search bar I was talking about where people can put in 3-bed, 2-bath home. Okay, now of course there's nothing here, so nothing's going to come up. All right, go back. Here is the sign up for the newsletter. Okay, so you put in Thomas Wilkins and Okay, and then here is our spam bot proof here, XPQFZH. Subscribe. Now, I have this name and email address that I can put into my email list so that I can add them to my email campaigns. Okay, so here we are back at the home, and all rights reserved by real estate. Here is the FAQs. Now, of course, you can change all of these questions. These are just examples, okay? But you can put, of course, how many years have you been in business? You can say however many, and you can say how many homes have I sold this year? What is the average time on the market, and things like that. About us. You can populate this with, I am so-and-so, I grew up here, I went to this school, I go to this church, blah, blah, blah. Contact us. Now this contact us form is very important as well. It's just like signing up for the newsletter. If someone has questions for you, they put in their information, okay, and they can, you see I've done this before. First name, Thomas, okay, last name, Wilkins, and here is my question. I want a 3-bed, 2-bath home for $1.52. Okay, yes, a little real estate humor there. Contact me via email. Subscribe to my monthly newsletter. Okay, submit. Now, here we are. Now watch this. This is what the client sees when they sign up. Okay, here is your name, email address, case number, things like that. Now here I am in my email, and here it is. Workflow notification. Okay, this is what comes to you when someone fills out the Contact Us form. Okay, so you have their email address, their name, their telephone numbers, and their question. I want a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. Contact me by email. I doubt somebody's going to put in their telephone numbers, but you never know. Okay, so back to this. All right, now that concludes this tutorial. The next tutorial will be how to populate this website. Thank you.